Hello and welcome again to the Night Hunter channel. The last 3 weeks I did some hunting for NB safaris with their clients on their property in Limpopo. The lodge and accommodation are their main facilities near Sterkrivier in Limpopo. Before going out an hour before sunset, we make sure that everybody is comfortable shooting out of the shooting chair. After setting up the stand for the night, one can enjoy different kinds of animals quietly without disturbing them. Uncle Larry and I waited almost 4 minutes for this jackal to come close and present us with a good broadside shot. He dispatched it with a 223 with a Night Stalker telescope. A great variety of animal species present itself during the night while we wait for the jackal to come in. This jackal ran in after a call with a Fox Pro. It was shot with an FX Maverick sniper. The first shot went just above the jackal's head. The second shot was a double lung shot and the bullet can be seen hitting the ground after it went through the jackal. Unfortunately, due to the huge amount of rain in the Limpopo bushveld, we were unable to track the jackal and find it the next morning. This jackal was shot with a 270 at the range of 196 meters. This is a big eland bull with a nice tuft of hair on its forehead. Clinton, Shepard and I walked up to the springhead using shooting sticks to get it with the FX Maverick sniper. Uncle Larry's second jackal for the night. Two days after coming back from the Limpopo bushveld, a friend asked me to help him out after jackal killed a calf at his farm. I shot these 3 jackal before 8 and a heavy downpour that night.